Guys, did you know how many types of English are in our earth? Can you tell me? If you know, just tell me in the comment below. So, welcome back again guys. In this video, we are going to see what are the types of English. Means guys, Old English versus New English. In other words, you can say that Basic English versus Advanced English. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Myself Mohit Pandey and you are watching Trendychat. So guys, as I mentioned before, only in this video we are going to see Basic English versus Advanced English. Yes guys, I know you are also thinking how many types of English there are in the earth. This is the first question arising in your mind, and second question, that is how we differentiate between these two types. Can you think it? So do not worry guys. In this video, we will cover all the topics by just few examples. And in this video, you are also going to learn some smart daily usable sentences which you can use in your daily conversation in life and improve your vocabulary. So, let's move with our some examples. First, it will come in Old English. That is, I am coming. Yes guys, it is our basic English. But if we see this example in Advanced English, then it will translate it into just coming. Yes guys, and I know you are also thinking just coming sounds better than I am coming, because it is a new way to say I am coming, and new things always liked by most of the people in the world. Yes guys, it's a fact. So therefore, I will also suggest you, please use New English, because old-fashioned things will never gonna to replace new things. So that's why I am also suggesting to use Advanced English to improve your vocabulary as well as improve your impression toward others. Yes guys. Our second sentence, that is guys, I am on a way. Yes guys, it is our second sentence, but it will come in Old English, and if we see in Advanced English, then it will become I am coming, I am on a way. Yes guys, it is the Advanced English by nowadays, because I know you are thinking in first old fashioned English we just get information shortly, but here the information describe lots of more but in short way. That's why I am suggesting you that please use Advanced English, because it will make an impression among other people, as I mentioned before also, but you will also going to describe more about something or a particular person or anything. So please use Advanced English. Our third sentence, that is guys, I am coming home. Yes guys, it is our third sentence, but it will come in old-fashioned English. Yes guys, and if you want to know its translation into Advanced English, please hit the like button. So here's the answer, listen carefully. Guys, in Advanced English, it will get translated into I am coming to my home. Yes guys, this is the right way to say it. In my opinion, I will also recommend you that please use this such a way for expressing anything in your society, because if you will use these sentences or this way to speak English, then it will also show you that your vocabulary is improved, and other people also think you are learning day by day and your vocabulary is improving also day by day. So that's why I am recommending you that please use this word. Our fourth sentence, that is guys, let's go for a visit. Yes guys, it is our fourth sentence, and it will come in old-fashioned English. But if we translate into the Advanced English, it will become let's go for a ramble. How does it sound guys? Please tell me in the comment below, because I know you are also thinking that it sounds really good as compared to before one, just like basic English. So, I know you are understanding that the real magic of the advanced English. And please tell me how you are liking this video. And if you are new here with us, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon on so you can get the latest notifications of our latest such videos. So, let's take steps towards our next example. Our fifth sentence, that is guys, don't be get scared. Yes guys, it is the basic English which we use in our daily conversation. But if we see in the advanced English, it will convert it into don't be afraid. Yes guys, it is the translation from basic to advanced English. And I know you are also thinking there are some few changes of, you can say, the pronunciation and meaning. This is the main two differences you can differentiate between the old English and new English. So, I know you got all the answers which the question will arise in your mind. So guys, how you like this video, please tell me in the comment below. And if you are newer with us, please subscribe our channel. Because guys, if you will subscribe us, our family also get grown up. And if you want to improve your vocabulary, then there's a humble request to you, please subscribe. And tell me how this video in the comment, as well as like this video if you like this video guys, because it will give us some motivation for making latest videos for you. So we will meet in our next video. Stay motivated with us and take our steps towards success.